Hey everyone, this is the Creative Income Life. My name is Matt. In today's video, I'm going to show you a really cool feature I've figured out in Canva that's going to help with your print-on-demand business and creating a bunch of designs very quickly. I didn't know this existed until recently. So what we're going to do, you got to have the Pro membership to use this, but we're going to go to Create a Design. We're going to custom size. We're going to use 4500 by 5400. I already got it here. We're just going to change this background real quick. So if we click that, we'll just make it black for a black t-shirt. So we'll go over to elements, and what we're going to do is just create something real quick. Let's just use this for example, and then we'll go and grab some text. So if I go over to text, I can hit add subheading. We're going to bring this up here. We're going to make this say lucky. And we're going to go to effects here. We're going to curve this, and let's just scale that up some. And if you slide this up here, you could change the curvature, and we'll just give it a different font. Let's just make that all caps, so lucky. We'll change the spacing, and if we want to adjust that curve a little bit more, we could do so. Let's just get something that's a little like calligraphy style. Let's say we want to get Lucky Mama. And if we grab this, we could scale it up. And we could put this right here. So when you're in the higher tiers, you want to scale up to that next level. You want to get as many designs up as possible so you have a chance to make more sales. And if you're like me, I'm in tier 20,000. And so I have so many slots I could fill a day. If I'm not utilizing those slots, then I'm just wasting valuable space on Amazon. If I want to take this design here and create like a bunch of different designs, but change mama to say mom or grandmother or father or something like that, we could do that now in Canva. So if you look over here, you see this thing says apps. Now, if I scroll up, there's a new feature here called bulk create. So if I select that, it'll let me enter data manually or upload a CSV. So what I want to do is take this text here and I want to make a list, and I'm going to use Google Sheets, which is free. All you got to do is sign up for a Google account. The first cell here, we want to put name. And we're just going to say mama. We're going to say mother. We're going to say dad, father. Let's say papa. Let's say grandma. Let's say pops. Okay, so we want to take all these, and what we want to do is go File, Download, comma, Separated Values. That's going to create a CSV file for us. What we're going to do, we're going to come back to Canva and we're going to go Upload CSV, and then I'm going to select that CSV we downloaded. So what we want to do now, since we have this where it says name, mama, mother, dad, we want to come over here and select the text we want to change. So we want to click it, right click, and we want to connect data. So we want to hit name, and now you see it's checked, and it's changed this here to name. And then we want to hit continue, and you have all these here. You could uncheck whichever ones you don't want, and then all we got to do is hit generate pages and watch what happens. So now it's created a lucky mama, lucky mother, lucky dad, lucky father, lucky papa, lucky grandma, lucky pops. Now how cool is this? Like, this is like probably the coolest feature in Canva, and for whatever it is, like $12.99, this is like way worth it, because I just think this is a really cool feature. And another cool thing I'll show you to generate these, this is a bonus tip. If I go back to home, we can go create design. I'm just going to use doc, and this is another feature in Canva called Magic Writes. Make a list of the top 10 names for mother. You want to say make a list because it's going to put it straight down, and all we got to do is copy this. Go to our Google Docs. We'll delete that out. Hit Command V. I'm on a Mac. It may be something different on your machine. And now it lists all those. And then you just export that CSV, come over to Canva, and do the same steps. I just thought this was really helpful. I think it's a really valuable tool. And to be included with Canva, many of you probably are already using Canva, but if you're not, I'll leave a link below. Test it out yourself and see if it's something you want to invest in, which I think it's a great tool. So if you've enjoyed this, take a second, hit the subscribe button below, and hit that bell notification so you'll know when I post a new video. And we'll catch you next time on the Creative Income Life.